Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is just going to be a quick video on how to fix the Xbox 360 controller trigger squeaking. Now yours will probably be worse than this, but mine's just started, and a lot of people actually, not a lot of people, but a few people, if it gets too squeaky, they'll just stop playing their Xbox completely because obviously it's very annoying. You don't want to buy yourself a new controller just because of some squeak. So this is how you're going to fix it. You'll probably, you have like a 99% chance of actually having these two things already inside your house. Right, you're going to need some sort of oil, whether that's cooking oil, vegetable oil, whatever, just as long as it's some sort of oil. I've got vegetable oil here. And a cotton bud, as you can see here. Make sure the controller is turned off and there's all the batteries are out of it and stuff like this. If you pull back the trigger and you just look in here, I don't know if you'll be able to see that there. You can if you do that and just look through it from the back, you will see a spring. And that's the spring which is obviously making the squeaky noise. So, what you're going to do, get a very small bit of the oil on the cotton bud. Obviously don't get too much, we don't want it to leak inside the thing. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but you're just going to put the cotton bud inside and wipe the springs a bit with the thing. Make sure you don't just get it jammed in there and stuck, you're just going to get a bit thing. And then press it a few times, maybe get a bit more. There you go. And as you can see here, no more noise. Now, the temporary fix is just by blowing inside the trigger, but that will only fix it for like 5 minutes, depending on how much you use the trigger. So, if you want a permanent fix, this is permanent. If the temporary, like 5-minute one, is just by blowing inside the trigger, just if you don't want to risk it, but it will work. Mine will work because I didn't use too much. Thank you for watching, hope it helped you out, and goodbye.